Every amazing product, every game-changing company, it all starts with just an idea, right? A little spark. But let's be honest, how many of those great ideas just fizzle out on that long, hard road from concept to actual code? Today, we're going to look at a totally new way to build. We're going to take that spark and turn it into a fully deployed app way faster than you probably think is possible. I bet almost everyone listening right now has had that aha moment. You're in the shower, on a walk, and bam, you got an idea for a killer app, an awesome tool for your team, or maybe even the next big thing. It all begins right there, in that moment. And then reality sinks in. That path from your brilliant idea to a working product, it's usually a total maze. It's complicated, it takes forever, and that's where so many of those awesome ideas they just die. But what if you could just build a bridge right over that whole messy part? Yeah, what if we could just completely flip the script? Seriously, imagine just describing your vision, what you want your app to do in plain English, and having an AI partner actually build it. Not just suggest code, but they'll be whole thing. This isn't some far off sci-fi dream anymore. This is happening right now. So let's get into it. And I want you to think about this differently. This isn't just another tool or a piece of software. Think of this more like getting an AI co-founder, one that's ready to jump in and start executing on your vision from day one. Okay, so this is the Abacus AI Deep Agent, and here's what makes it different. It's a multi-skilled AI that does more than just think or spit out text. It acts. It's basically an autonomous execution engine, built from the ground up to take your instructions and turn them into real working things. And when I say multi-skilled, I mean it. We're talking about building full-stack, production-ready apps with real databases. We're talking about automating super complex business workflows. It can dig into your data and spin up live dashboards. Heck, it can even do deep research for you with live access to the web, and it can create content like short videos and AI images. It's pretty much an all-in-one powerhouse. So how do you actually use it? Well, the whole process is something we're calling vibe coding. I love that name because you're not sitting there writing code line by line. Nope. You're just communicating the vibe, the vision, the goal. You get to be the product manager, guiding your AI partner step by step. Let's walk through what that journey looks like. It all starts with the prompt, and a good prompt really just comes down to 3 C's. First, be crisp. Cut out the fluff, just give it clean instructions. Second, be concise. Simple, direct language works best. And third, be contextual. Give the AI the background it needs. The clearer you are, the better the result you're going to get. Simple as that. Now here's the key. You build in small steps. You don't try to build the whole thing at once. You ask for one feature, like add a login button. Then you immediately test it right there in the live preview. Does it work? Great. If something breaks, no big deal. The agent automatically saves checkpoints of the last few versions, so you've always got a safety net. You can just roll back to the last working version and try again. It actually makes it fun to experiment. Okay, so once your app is starting to look good on the front end, you can start adding the serious stuff, the back end, just by talking to it. Instead of all the complicated setup, you can literally just type, hey, set up a real database and connect it. Done. You need a login system for your users? Just describe what you want. I need admins and regular users. It's an insane way to go about powerful features. And what about bugs? Because, bugs always happen. Well, you just debug with the AI. You can describe the problem, like the submit button on my form is broken, or even better, if you see one of those ugly error messages pop up, just copy it, paste it right into the prompt, and the AI will often know exactly how to fix it based on that error alone. So you've built your app. Awesome. But honestly, that's just the beginning. The agent's real superpower kicks in when it starts automating everything around your app. This is where it goes from being a builder to being your very own autonomous workforce. The platform really gives you two main ways to automate things. On one side, you've got chatbots, which are perfect for conversations, right? Like customer support or answering FAQs. But on the other side, you've got AI workflows. And these are the heavy hitters for complex, multi-step jobs, like automating an entire business process that needs to talk to other systems. And the level of automation here is just incredible. You can do simple things like scheduling the daily report to be emailed out, or you can build what are called agentic workflows that can actually reason and take action. like scanning support emails, figuring out what the problem is, and drafting a smart reply. It can even automate your web browser to pull data from sites that don't have an API. It's wild. And the best part, this isn't some walled garden. The agent is designed to connect to the tools you and your team are already using every single day. We're talking Slack, Gmail, Salesforce, Jira. You can even hook it up to your own custom APIs. It just slots right into your existing tech stack. All right, you've prompted, you've iterated, you've debugged, and you've automated. Now comes the best part, the final, most satisfying moment of this whole journey, launching your creation for the entire world to see. After all that creative work, the final step is just beautifully simple. There are no complicated servers to set up, no config files to mess with. When your app is ready to go, you launch it with one click. Just hit the deploy button. And you've got options for where it goes live. You can use the Abacus hosted domain for instant zero setup deployment, which is perfect for testing or showing off a demo. Or when you're ready to look pro, you can use your own custom domain. You can even buy the domain right through the platform and it'll handle all the technical stuff for you. One. That's it. One click, and your idea goes from a simple prompt in the chat box to a live application on the internet that anyone can visit. That's a pretty powerful moment. You know, this quote here really nails it. Deep Agent becomes your programmable AI workforce, running continuously, reliably, and intelligently in the background. It's not just a tool you use and then put away, it's an engine that you set in motion, working for you 24/7. So, with that bridge from idea to deployed reality and now shorter and easier to cross than ever before, the only real question left is, what are you going to build first? If you're finding these tutorials valuable and you're serious about integrating AI and automation into your business to save time and build scalable systems, I invite you to join our free school community. This isn't a place for hype or unrealistic promises. Instead, it's a focused environment where we continue the conversation, share practical workflows, and troubleshoot real-world AI implementation challenges together. Inside, you'll find extended discussions on the AI tools and automation strategies we cover here on the channel, exclusive mini tutorials and workflow breakdowns that go even deeper, a supportive network of fellow entrepreneurs, freelancers, and creators who are actively building with AI, opportunities to ask questions directly and get feedback on your own automation projects. It's a space dedicated to continuous learning and practical application, helping you move from understanding concepts to implementing effective AI solutions in your day-to-day operations. To join, simply click the link in the description below. I'm looking forward to connecting with you there and helping you further streamline your work and build real leverage with AI.